Hello, my name is Jim and welcome back to White Rock Dodge. Today we're going to talk about the 5 things that you do, or we do, doing your maintenance 2 on your vehicle. So we'll get started and enjoy the show. So number 1, we change your engine oil and replace your engine oil filter. And if you see our service manager in the video, you get 5% off. There it is, liquid gold. Nice clean oil. Okay, number 2, we do a peace of mind inspection, which we'll have a separate video for that, and we'll show you in more detail what's involved in that, which is that sheet right there. So that sheet there is what's involved in step 2. Number 3, we check all your fluid levels and top them up where needed. Your coolant, washer fluid, check the coolant state for winter time, and also we are able to check your windshield washer fluid, believe it or not. Okay, number 1, first thing I like to do is, while it's down on the ground, is to do the coolant check, which is part of your service. So we're just going to check to see what kind of protection this vehicle is going to have for the winter. So you'll see that bubble. Once we get to the line there, which is pretty close, there you go. You see you're good to, like, minus 45 almost. If it would go up to the line, you're at be minus 45. And then we just check it to see how clean it looks. And yeah, that's it for that. And since the level is low, we will top that up a little bit. Just to bring it up to the line, you get your min-max line, so part of the service is we top up your fluid, so we'll just bring that up. There, this is min-max. That's that. Also, while we're here, we look at your brake fluid, so it's clean and it's at the max line. Indicator of low brake fluid is usually brake pad wear, right? So as your brake pads wear out, that fluid is going to drop. The other thing we do is we got to top up your washer fluid, so we'll do that. Jug. Top her up. Okay. So number 4 is we inspect your battery. We check the terminals to see if they're snug, to see how clean, if they're corroded, and we obviously check your battery for the state of charge, which will have a handheld tester that will do that, and it will give us a printout which is attached to the work order for you. Looking for your cold cranking amp. So as you can see on yours, it says 700 CCA, and so that's what we're going to punch into this unit right here, just so we do the proper test. CCA is cold cranking amps, and that's what your batteries are rated to, like starting during the cold periods. So CCA, it says good battery, top one, there you go. I will print that out for you to have. You can see this customer here. You can see that. See how it moves? So clearly this one doesn't have a tight terminal. I'm just going to check the positive. Positive is good. Just going to snug it up. Put the cap back on. And snug this one up as well. Okay, so number 5, the last thing that we do on our maintenance 2 is to rotate your tires. We check the depth. We check your tire pressures, and while we're there, we take a quick look at your brakes and see how much wear or what state they're at. So 2 things. One, we'll check is your tire pressure. The other one's your depth. So the tire depth gauge, put that between there and there, which is about 16-30 seconds. Okay, and that's just how much sticks out between your tires, the surface of the tires, and the depth. And now we check tire pressure. And we just work our way around the car and do that as the oil is draining. It's winter time, so usually in winter time your tire pressures drop, so more likely most of them will need to be topped up. I mean, you'll get that indicator on your dash that says low tire pressure. It's probably because of the drop in climate, right? The temperature drop. Now we're going into winter time, so all you need to do is just come on down, we'll top up your tires and get you on your way. We're gonna go front to back to front. Okay, well we have the tires off. The other thing that we do for you is check your brake percentages to see where they're at. Obviously red's not good, it's changing. Yellow is, we're getting close. And green is perfect, your green's good to go. So we get in there, I'm not sure if you can see that, but in between the pad and that area there, that's kind of where we're at. And that's your percentage of pad left. This one's really perfect. That one's a little snug. So we'll take it down to the next one. It should just fit in between the back of the pad and the rotor. And that gives you your depth, your percentage. In that case, that's 10 mil. And that's it. That concludes the 5 steps involved in the maintenance too. Stay tuned.